everybody. Welcome to Boom City Breaks on Friday, June the 23rd. Tonight we are breaking a Gold Rush autographed baseball jerseys. This here is a 2-box break, and we did random team sales. You can see just to the left here. We have already randomized both teams and customers. We then alphabetized the customers so they could see who they had. Yeah, we can see who they had a bit easier. Gave them ample opportunity to trade. Here we go. Everybody's making fun of me because I put fabulous first instead of famous first on our comic doc. But oh well. Here we go. Oh, wow, man. See, there's another one of my old White Sox guys, man. I loved him and Andre Dawson, folks. That is a Tim Raines Expos jersey, folks. We are going to make sure that is the Expo jersey, isn't it? Yeah, wow, man. Yeah, really, really, really nice Expo jersey, guys. I think that is a very cool jersey. That is actually a Nationals hit because the Expos went on to become the Nationals, I do believe, right, guys? So that is a Washington Nationals hit. That is your JSA number. Very, very nice Tim Raines Expo hit for one of our folks. Who got that, baby? Washington. That's a Flanman hit, y'all. Flanman. Gonna move on to our second box and our 2-box. Gold Rush does not treat us too bad, fellas. Keep saying it every time we open this stuff. I like the stuff we pull out of here. They have not treated us too badly tonight, I think. See if we can get it going. I have no idea who that is, man, but I'll tell you what, it feels like one of the licensed. Oh, that's a Carrie Wood. Let me see if that's a licensed or not. No, man, she's a really outstanding quality custom. I'll tell you that, boys. That is a really nice custom jersey, guys. I'd say it, yeah. That's borderline quality of a licensed jersey, folks. Really nice stitching on the numbers and such. Really, really nice hit. Carrie Wood, that is going to be a Cubby hit, y'all. And like I said, folks, really nice jersey. Very nice PSA DNA on that. Who has them there Cubbies? That's going to be a Mossberg hit. Mossberg Jimmy hit. So that's going to wrap up that 2-boxer, folks. Y'all have a good one. We appreciate you stopping on by Breakers.tv, YouTube, or Twitch at Boom City Breaks.